Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves from Group 10, which consists of 4 people, namely me, Gita Gustira Putri, with NIM 230425156 as the moderator, then my colleague Mutia Mehriska Putri as speaker 1, Giovanni Patricia Maritim as speaker 2, and Francisco Silalahi as speaker 3. The title of our material is State Revenue and Expenditure Budget APBN. Okay, let's go straight to the material. The first material will be read by Mutia. Mutia is welcome.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Understanding the APBN, the state budget in the annual financial plan of the Indonesian government, approved by the House of Representatives (DPR). The APBN contains a systematic and detailed list of planned state revenues and expenditures for one budget year. The APBN includes all sorts of state revenues and expenditures that are calculated carefully and responsibly by the government, and are prepared for one budget period. Next. Definition of APBN according to law. According to state laws and regulations, the legal basis and procedures for compiling the APBN are contained in Article 23, paragraph 1, 2, and 3 of the Constitution. Article 23, paragraph 1 on the Constitution states that the state budget APBN as a form of state financial management is determined annually by law and implemented openly and responsibility for the great prosperity of the people. Article 20, paragraph 2 states that the draft state budget law is submitted by the President to be discussed with the DPR by taking into account the consideration of the regional representative council. Article 23, paragraph 3 states that if the DPR does not approve the draft state budget proposed by the President, the government will implement the previous year's APBN. Next. Function of the APBN. A. Authorization function. The state budget is the legal basis for implementing state revenues and expenditure during the budget year. Provides a basis for accountability to the people for government financial activities. B. Planning function. The state budget is a guideline for planning government activities for that year. For example, if a road is to be built, it has been planned and budgeted in advance. C. Supervisory function. The state budget is used to monitor whether government activities are in accordance with the budget plan. The people can assess the use of state money. The allocation function. The state budget directs the use or resource to reduce unemployment, prevent waste of resource, increase economic efficiency and effectiveness. A. Distribution function. The state budget pays attention to fairness and property in the distribution of income and spending. B. Stability function. The state budget is a tool for maintaining macroeconomic balance, such as maintaining inflation, reducing unemployment, and encouraging economic growth. Preparation APBN. The process of preparing the state budget is as follows. 1. Planning. The process of preparing the state budget requires planning that includes all state revenues from tax and non-tax resources during that budget year to be implemented. 2. Budget preparation. The state budget is a manifestation of state financial management, which is an instrument for the government to regulate state expenditure and revenues in order to finance the implementation of government and development activities, economic growth, increase national income, active economic stability, and determine the direction and priorities of development in general. The state budget is prepared on the basis of mutual agreement between the President and the DPR. 3. Determination of the state budget. The determination of the state budget is carried out after discussion between the President and the DPR on the proposed state budget. The draft from the President by taking into account the consideration of the regional representative council. The state budget is determined annually and implemented for the rigorous prosperity of the people. Next. Submission of draft state budget to the DPR. The determination of the state budget is carried after discussion between the President and the DPR and the proposed state budget draft from the President by taking into account the consideration of the regional responsibilities of council. 2. The state budget bill always comes from the President, which is then discussion together with the DPR by taking into account the consideration of the DPR will in order allows the submission of the bill in the authority of the DPR, although it can also be submitted by the President. 3. The state budget law is recurred every year, and if the state budget law cannot be stipulated because the DPR does not approve the state budget bill submitted by the President, then the government will implement the state budget of the previous fiscal year. Discussion of the draft state budget in the DPR. 1. Draft state budget submission state. Every year, the President submits the draft state budget to the DPR in a plenary session no later than Augustus 6,000. The draft state budget is submit together with the financial note containing an explanation of fiscal policy, macroeconomic projection, and the direction of state spending for the following budget year. 2. After the draft state budget is received, the DPR will conduction initial discussion normally. 1. Reviewing basic macroeconomic assumption, economic growth, inflation, exchange rates, world oil price, and so on. 2. Assessing the direction of fiscal policy and national development priorities. 3. Involving DPR support bodies, especially the budget agency and related commissions. Three, in that discussion in Commission and Budget Committee, the discussion of the draft state budget is conducted at two levels. Level 1, Commission and Budget Committee. The DPR Commission discussion the section of the draft state budget that is within the scope of its partner ministries institution. The DPR Budget Committee section the whole thing, including state revenues, budgeting deficit, financing, and allocation of spending between sectors. The discussion can be intense, depending on the difference in the political and economic view between the DPR and the government. Level 3. The result of the discussion at the Commission and Budget Committee levels are the brought to the DPR plenary session. 4. Decision making. If the DPR approves the draft state budget, the economy is submitted back to the President to be ratified into a law on the state budget. The DPR has the authority to approve or reject the RAPBN, but cannot discuss it itself without a government proposal. Nanti kalau legal basis for approval of the draft state budget by the DPR. 1. Constitution. Article 223, paragraph 2. The draft law on the state budget is submitted by the President to be discussed together with the DPR by taking into account the consideration of the DPD. 2. Law number 7 of 2003 concerning state finance stipulated that the draft state budget in an annual financial planning document that must be approved by the DPR before becoming the basis for state spending. D. DPR's draft state budget approval process. 1. Ini masih aku kan? Thanks, moderator. I'm back as a moderator.
Okay. Thank you to Mutia. The next material will be read by Giovanni Patricia Maritim. To Giovanni is welcome.
Thank you, moderator. Sorry before to everyone because I cannot show my face because of power stack. B. DPR draft state budget approval process. 1. discussed in the DPR multi-level process. After the RAPBN is submitted by the President every August 16, the DPR begin discuss at two main levels. Level 1, substance discussion, involving the DPR Commission and the Budget Agency, focus on basic macroeconomic assumption, APBN posture, national priority program and spending efficiency. Commission discuss and with ministerial. The result of the discuss are consolidated in Banggar. B. Level 2, plenary. All DPR faction submit final view on the RAPBN as a whole, approve or reject. If not consensus is a reject, open the close voting in the period. 2. DPD consideration. Although it don't have the authority to approve, the regional repression body atau DPD provide consideration on the draft state. Transfer to regions and village funds, spending for religion development and region autonomy. C. Political dimension in approval of the draft state budget. 1. Political calculation of function. Each function tends to support or christen the draft state budget depending on its position. The government coalition tends to agree with the draft state budget. The opposition can use the draft state budget forum to criticize fiscal policy or certain project. B. Lobby and negotiation. In practice, there is a political lobbying process between the executive and the DPR regarding the amount of the budget, aspirational program or regional project. Sometimes the budget deposit issues arise, where a function or member process a certain program for the electoral district. The final result, DPR approval. After the entry discuss and political process is complete, the DPR declare its approval of the draft state budget in the forum of DPR Direct. The Direct becomes the formal basis for the DPR to continue the traffic process. If not approved, in extreme conditional. For example, minor political conflict. If the draft state budget is not approved by the DPR, then the government implement the previous year's state budget by referring to Article 23, Paragraph 5 of the 1945 Constitutional. This aims to maintain condition of government and public service. Ratification of the state budget. 1. Ratification of the state budget by the President. Ratification by the President is a follow-up step after the DPR approved the Daftar budget. The legal basis Article 12, Paragraph 5 of the 1945 Constitution, which states if a bill has been generally approved, the President ratifies bill into law. This is a form of finalization of the legislative process between the government and the DPR regarding the state budget. After DPR approved the draft state budget in a plenary session, The draft state budget document is submitted to the President of the State Secretariat. The President then signs the document as a form ratification. If the President does not sign with 10 days of the bill being jointly approved by DPR, then based on the Constitution, the bill remains valid and applies a law. This is known as the principle of automatic ratification, which aims to prevent political deadlock. 2. Ratification into state budget law. After ratification by President or after 13 days without signature, the draft budget that has been jointly approved by DPR officially becomes the law on the state budget UU APBN. This process is arrived at to administration stage. Namely, the granting obligation by the Ministry of Law and Human Rights in the State Gazette of the Republic of Indonesia. After becoming a law, the state budget has full legal force. The government is obliged to implement fiscal policy in accordance with the provision contained in the law, starting for state revenue target spending law. Case analysis. Case 1. Sri Mulyani begins reporting the 2029 state budget to Prabowo. Here is a budget reporting timeline. This case analysis highlights in the intentional stage of preparing the 2026 state budget, which was started by Financial Minister Sri Mulyani. Case 2, DPR discuss of the 2026 draft state budget will be directed towards anticipasi global dynamics. This case illustration of the discussed process for the 2026 draft state budget in the Indonesian of House repression not only focus on a complete fiscal figure but also consider external dynamics, such as the turmoil of the global trade war. Back to moderator.
Thank you to Giovanni. The next material will be read by Franz. To Franz is welcome.
Case 2, DPR discussion of the 2026 draft state budget will be direct towards anything global dynamic. This case illustrates how the discussion process for the 2026 draft state budget RAPBN in the Indonesian House Representatives DPR RI. Not this focus on completing fiscal figures, but also consider external dynamics, such the turmoil of the global trade war. Deputy Speaker of Indonesian House Representative Somi Desko Ahmad emphasized that the tariff war triggered by the United and the global economy slowdown. Therefore, the discussion of RAPBN is direct towards strengthening the foundation of the national economy in order to anticipate this uncertainty. The DPR function in the strengthening state policy is important to ensure that the state budget remains able to maintain economic stability, protect the people, and support the continuity of national development amid external threats. Thus, this case emphasize that the ratification of the APBN is part of national resilience strategy that is responsive to global challenge. Case 3. Prabowo summons Sri Mulyani and Erlangga to the palace discusses the preparation of the 2026 state budget. This case illustration the early stage of the 2026 state budget preparing process involving intensive coordination between President Prabowo Subianto, Finance Minister Sri Mulyani, and Coordination Minister for Economy Erlangga Hartono. The limited meeting had at the state pledge on March 26, 2025, so the government focused on determining the direction of fiscal policy based on evaluation and experience of implementing of the 2025 budget. This reflects the government effort to build more effective the responsible budget government will maintain optimal national development properties. This case is very relevant to our group theme, namely the process of preparing and determining state budget, because it shows how key element of government collaborate in formulation adaptive and strategy state budget policy to face economic challenge and national fiscal needs. Next. Case 4. Read 1. Base lobbying 2025 state budget signal approval of redevelopment infrastructure proposal on Roha City Bypass. This case reflects the process of complying and determining state budget, which involves coordination between the DPR and the central government in calculating the budget for regional infrastructure development. Ridwan by as Deputy Chair of Commission Fee of the Indonesia House of Representatives played an active role in proposing funding for the sea retaining embankment on the Roha City Bypass brought to the 2025 state budget mechanism. This shows is that preparation of the state is not only about numbers at central level, but also the result of political lobbying and regional aspiration that are accommodated in national budget properties. The approval that must pass before the allocation of funds can be realized. In addition, this case highlights the improve of the role of the DPR in ensuring that the allocation of the state budget is able to answer strategic regional needs that have impact to economy and welfare of local community. Therefore, this funding proposal is an integral part of preparation of state budget, which involves aspect of legislation, supervision, and budget advocacy in order to support sustainable development. Case 5. DPR proposal ojol get BPJS hal contribution paid by state budget. The DPR RI proposal to finance BPJS hal contribution for online motorcycle taxi atau or ojol. Driver through the state budget reflect the state's concern for social protection for informal workers. The chairperson of the DPR, AIM, Neti Prasetyani, as the state is obligated to guarantee the basic rights of driver, considering the high risks of the war. This proposal in line with principle of social justice, but on the other hand, soft and clear regulatory gap regarding the legal status of ojol driver, which is still being debated between the position.
Okay, thank you to Franz. The next material is conclusion. The state budget APBN is the country annual financial plan containing revenue and expenditure prepared based on the provision of the 1945 Constitution Article 2.3. The APBN function as authorization, planning, supervision, allocation, distribution, and economic stabilization. The process of preparing the APBN begins with planning by the government, discussion with the DPR, to ratification into law by the President. Various cases of preparing the 2006 APBN show the importance of early coordination, response to global dynamic, budget efficiency, investment in regional aspiration, and social protection for vulnerable group. Okay, that's all the material we discussed. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.